Hi guys! Watching with me, Langit at Lupa. Yes. And I'm eating. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm almost done, but I'm gonna still show you.
Uli. Joke.
Langit, Lupa. We are besties even we don't care.
Hello po?
Hey, Cindy. Did I disturb you?
No, it's okay.
I was just calling to say thank you sa merienda kanina. Kasi I had a great time.
Ako din naman po, Teacher
So
Kate.
yummy.
Lalo-lalo na sa mga payo mo sa akin sa school. Nabawasan tuloy ang takot ko.
Alam mo, insecure
Wait,
din ako dati
sir?
while I was still in school. Kaya kinukwento ko sa'yo yung sister ko.
Natutuwa lang ako. Love na love mo yung sister mo, no?
Yeah, she's actually the reason why I keep my hair long.
Pandesal.
Sabi niya
Gusto
kasi
mo?
I shouldn't cut my hair. Si Prince
Sarap na.
long hair din kasi.
Kaya naman pala.
Oh, and not
Mm,
because
sarap
I
na.
look like a goon, like you said before.
Ha? Ang galing naman yung memory mo. Parang elepante.
Goons na nga, elepante pa.
O joke lang. Ikaw talaga, hindi na mabiro.
Oh, sige. I don't want to take too much of your time na. Good night, Cindy.
Good night, Teacher Kate.
By the way, Cindy, just call me Kid.
Okay. Kate. Good night.
Good night.
Mommy, where's Daddy? I want him to read me a story before sleeping.
Hindi ko alam, hindi sumasagot ng phone.
But why?
Sinabi ko hindi ko alam, di ba? Go up! Up now! Now!
Wait, I'm gonna get another pandesal.
Hindi mo masasagutin.
Sorry, yeah.
Baka tinatawagan ka lang para sa appointment mo with the wedding coordinator.
Bakit naman yung gagawin yun? Hindi nyo naman alam na anak na ako.
Ano?
Of course! Pare, kakalaya ko pa lang. Tapos papatali na agad ako. Bro, I deserve to enjoy this life this time.
Watching me eat and watch,
Ano mo yan?
but you're not gonna see. I'm sorry, girls.
Sa mga napagdaanan
Mamaya, you can see.
mo, akala ko nagbago ka na. Ikaw pa rin yung same Ian na kabargado ko ng high school. Umiiwas matali dahil madaling masakal at takot sa mga responsibilidad.
Pare, mga ba ako yung tipong papatali? Lahat kami sa pamilya ko malas sa marriage. Yung lolo ko, yung dad ko, pati mga half-brothers ko, lahat sila separated. So, papa.
I'm sorry, Princess. Ayaw lang kita masaktan. Kaya ako tinago sa iyo yung totoo tungkol sa daddy mo. Sana hindi ka sa akin magalit for lying to you. Ang gusto ko lang naman eh.
Sorry, guys.
Lahat ng mga
I
sinabi
accidentally
ko
swallowed
sa daddy
here.
mo.
It was stuck. Sorry, guys.
But I guess I was wrong. All I want is for you to have a better father. A father that you deserve.
have some. I had some white and pink and orange. Only one orange. I'm gonna eat it right now. So yeah. And I want you to show you my bangs, and it looks weird, right? But scared. I don't care.
Ate, okay ka lang ba? May problema?
Oh guys, wait.
Wala naman. Lala ako nakaramdam ng lungkot. Pero wala to.
Talaga lang, ate. Wala. Ate, i-share mo na. Ikaw naman, no? Pwede mo naman sabihin sa akin, di ba? Lagi naman akong handang makinig.
Diba,
Wala?
diba kanina may binigay ka sa akin sulat?
Oo.
Eh, yung laman nun yung annulment namin ni Ian.
Talaga po? Naku, sa wakas! Kailangan natin mag-celebrate.
It's like orange. It's like a soda. Sarap. Fruit. Now let's watch. I am gonna watch.
Naku, di ba?
Sorry,
Matagal mo na
sorry.
hinihintay, ate. Eh, bakit parang hindi ka natutuwa?
Oo, natuwa naman ako.
I'm just gonna show you right now.
Pero bigla na lang ako nakaramdam ng lungkot. Ewan ko ba? Ganun pala yun, oh. Kahit pala
Okay, done.
tanggap mo sa sarili mo yung tama. At saka yung dapat mangyari. Makabuo ng pamilya. Pero
I think I should end this right now. But I'm gonna show you something first. I think we should not react to my videos again, please. Don't want to react anymore. So you search Annabelle Limsuan, and there's Slay Queen, and it's if you see this, watch it. And I'm gonna say bye. I'm gonna post this to YouTube right now. Bye.